Hello, today's the 24th of March 2025. I found something to record. I got these done. Miguel's hot spicy beef mini tacos, and also Pringles First We Feast presents hot ones. Hot ones Rojo Calientes. I did a couple, which was Barbarossa, and the other one I can't think of, but that one's a green looking ones. But this one's gonna be. Whoops, sorry, I tilted it sideways. Forgot to tighten the knob on this. Alright, I'm going to show you the... Now, I'm going to try these real quick here. Okay, here's what the chips look like. I'm going to do one. Not bad. Spicy. It is spicy. I wish I did buy a drink here, but I don't have a drink in the car at this moment. Okay. Well, let's try the beef tacos. Good. Buy them at 7-Eleven. Alright, well, I got to get going. Guys, have a good day.